Hello and a massive welcome back to all you brilliant apprentices at Kent Business College. So, in our last session, we talked about dyslexic thinking. Today, we're getting into the really good stuff, the practical, hands-on tools you can start using in your workplace, like right now.
And that's really the key, isn't it? We're officially moving from just talking about it to actually doing something. This is all about giving you the strategies to unlock those incredible strengths that we know you have, so you can absolutely shine in your apprenticeship.
So here's our game plan for today. Think of it like a level-up guide. We're going to cover 5 key areas, starting with reframing the whole thing, then we'll get into some communication cheat codes, an awesome tech toolkit, how to hack your environment, and finally, your very own self-advocacy superpower. All right, let's jump in.
First things first, we've got to get our mindset right. This is not about fixing a problem. It's about learning to play a completely different and, often way more creative game.
Okay, this analogy right here is so important. We have to completely ditch the idea that dyslexia is some kind of deficit. Instead, I want you to picture your brain running on a different operating system. Like a Mac in a world full of PCs. It just processes things differently. But it has its own unique power, its own amazing capabilities. It's all about knowing how to use it.
Okay, so with that in mind, let's get our first set of practical tools ready. We're calling them communication cheat codes. Seriously, getting the right information in the right way can change everything.
Oh man, does this sound familiar? You know that feeling? Your boss or your tutor is explaining something really complex, and your brain is just going into overdrive, trying to listen, figure out what they actually mean, and scribble down notes so you don't forget it all 5 minutes later. It feels impossible.
Well, here are 4 super simple but powerful cheat codes you can start using immediately. It's totally okay to ask someone to just pause for a second. It's actually smart to ask, could you repeat the most important bits? And confirming what you heard, like just saying, okay, so you need me to do X, then Y? That is a pro move. And asking for info in different ways, maybe an email summary after a chat, that helps everybody.
And check this out, this shows the difference perfectly. On the left, you've got this wall of text that's confusing for pretty much anyone. But on the right, it's the exact same task, just broken down into clear, simple steps. This isn't about dumbing it down, not at all. It's about being a clear, effective communicator. And that's a skill that makes the entire team better.
Right, let's talk gear. Technology isn't some kind of crutch. Think of it as a set of power-ups that just help you work smarter, not harder.
And let's get one thing straight, right here, right now. Using assistive tech is not cheating. That's like saying someone who wears glasses is cheating at seeing. It's ridiculous. These are just tools that remove the silly barriers, letting your actual skills and your intelligence shine through.
So here are just a few examples. Speech-to-text is a total game changer. If typing feels like a drag, text-to-speech can read those long reports to you, which saves your precious brain energy for actually understanding the content. And digital organizers? Oh, they are your secret weapon for taming your schedule and never missing another deadline.
Okay, on to the next level. It's not just about the tools you use. It's about shaping your environment so it works for you, not against you. Let's talk about hacking your workflow.
Have you ever gotten a task that feels so massive you don't even know where to start? We've all been there. So try this 4-step process. First, plan it out, maybe visually with a mind map. Then chunk that huge task into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Next, schedule those little chunks in your calendar. And finally, just execute. Focus on one small piece at a time. All of a sudden, that giant mountain becomes a series of small, totally manageable hills.
And these here are adjustments that literally anyone can make. Finding a quiet corner when you really need to focus can make a huge difference. Go ahead and play with the brightness and text size on your screen until it feels comfortable. And please remember, your brain is like a muscle. Taking short, regular breaks is essential to fight off fatigue and stay sharp all day.
So, we've saved the most important tool for last. All the apps and all the hacks in the world are great, but the ultimate power-up is learning how to advocate for yourself. This, right here, is your superpower.
Think about the feedback you get. Is it just a sea of red ink pointing out typos? Because that's not actually that helpful. What you really want, and what you can start asking for, is feedback that recognizes your awesome ideas first, and then gently guides you on how to improve the delivery. That's how you build both confidence and skill at the same time.
And please remember, you are not in this alone. Your colleagues, your mentors, your fellow apprentices, that's your crew.
Find those people you can trust. A workplace where it feels safe to ask questions is a place where everybody thrives. I'm going to say that again. Asking for help is a sign of strength.
And really, this is what it all comes down to. Understanding how your unique brain works, knowing your strengths, your challenges, that's the key. It gives you the confidence to walk up to your manager and say, hey, for me to do my absolute best work on this, what would really help me is, that is true power.
Okay, we have filled your toolkit with cheat codes, tech power-ups, and game-changing strategies. So I'm going to leave you with this question to think about. Looking at everything we've covered, what is the one small thing, the one new tool you're going to put into practice today? Go make it happen.